Welcome everybody. As you can see today, we've got Bonecrusher and Scavenger, part of the Constructicons. I'll tell you, it's one of those things, having recently done some GoBots, it's sort of, honestly, I hate to call it disappointing to do, but, you know, like I've been saying, it's sort of, the GoBots appear to be, I don't want to say better, but I think they did much more with less. You know, that's sort of disappointing when you start really comparing them back and forth like this. You know, the GoBots didn't do better. Let's see, is his, I don't know if his sticker is working or not. I got a little bit of a Decepticon symbol there, but you know, they don't look bad. But you know, you think about. And these weren't high dollar ones either, so that helps. These were on their cards. Seems his feet aren't quite level. But okay, he will stand up on his own though. Let's say, let's transform him right quick. I hope, if I can remember how I've done that. This goes forward. His head pops in and drops into lock in place. Cab goes up. Arms come in together. And turns into a fair facsimile of a bulldozer. Got the movable scoop Decepticon symbol everywhere on it. And sort of the same thing with Scavenger. He's Traco. So bend his legs sideways, pop his arms in, flip his head down, just spin him over, and he actually does and got the arm on it and everything. Yeah, that's not bad on either one of them. You know, and of course I do have the whole set, and I've got most of the pieces, so Devastator is coming. He'll be here the end of the week. Let's see if his sticker is working. Of course, my hands are cold too, so that's not helping. Yeah, I get a little bit of off center on that one, huh? But anyway, there's the arms of Devastator, the Constructicons, Scavenger, and Bonecrusher. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.